See what I'm doing here? So what I got is what I got here is I got a bar stuck through here to stop it from turning. I'm gonna put a big wrench, a big socket and a wrench. I've already torqued this bolt here to 450 foot-pounds, and now I'm bringing these to 200 foot-pounds with they got nylock nuts, locking nuts. So here we go. The long bar, it's a 36 long bar, but 30 roughly, but 15 inches from the end at my weight is 210 foot-pounds. So okay, let's see if we can get this. I got a wrench against this bolt here, so this can't turn. The nut on the other side can't turn. It's right there. If I can stand on that, you can do the calculation yourself. 15 inches from the end, 155 pounds. What's that? Around 200. It's going a bit. There we go. Hey guys, I tried putting the blades on and got them all on torqued and discovered that I had them on backwards. Dug that into a brick there and I'm just going to stand. This is already 24 inches on this bar, so that's perfect torque. I'm just going to stand on that and get it torqued. Should be my body weight right about there.